What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in good spirits. 10-second, as you see her here, Black Mamba. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for all the support. We have some epic videos coming out about the 10-second pass. I'm doing a whole walk around with the mods, how to do it, where you can get it. But no more Mr. Nice Guys happening, guys. That's right. We're starting to get serious. My friends over at Steeda have seen what the Black Mamba has done. My friends at Steeda were so awesome. I said, I need help. I need you guys to help me dial in, because the weakest part of the Black Mamba, of any 2018 and 19 Mustang, is the wheel hop. My 60 foot. I mean, I was cutting 1.8s, 1.7s. I finally got to the mid 1.6s and I broke 10s, but that's still not good enough. I need a 60 foot and then 1.5s, a low 1.6, maybe even better than that. Steeda said, Stangmode, say no more. And I hate talking in third person, that was totally weird. But they sent me some goodies. I'm gonna bring them out the trunk one by one, and you know we're not playing games. I'm so excited. We're not gonna go back to the drag strip until these goodies are installed. But before we get there, we're gonna unbox them, show them to you one by one, and we'll take them to Casper's. They'll be installed by time for the subscribers meet March 30th. You're gonna see what we have. Without further ado, let me shut up and let's take a look at what we got. Also put a link to the description below of all the mods that Steeda just sent. And let's bring them out and let's see what they have. We'll take it box by box, step by step. I mean, look at this carnage here. Look at ya. Still be prettied up. That's a lot of money, all that rubber. All right, let's see what we got here. Steeda, Speed Matters. Big thanks to Steeda for sending this stuff. Really appreciate the support. And let's unbox this stuff. Here we go, guys. Steeda adjustable S550 action front struts. So we got some struts and shocks. All right. This right here. What do we got here for you? We got Steeda adjustable Pro Action rear shocks. So now we're starting to get so serious. So we got shocks. We got struts. What do we got here? There's a little poking out. This right here, let's open this up first. Let's open this up. I'm telling you guys, this is just like Christmas for car guys. I'm super excited. Share with me, what do we got here? Aha! Look at this goodness, guys. Holy cow. Look what we got here. This right here is a rear drag sway bar. Oh, this is going down. We got a drag sway bar, front and rear shocks and struts. Now, what's this little mystery box here? Let's take a look. Let's open this up here. Everything's stapled. There's some serious business, guys. Steeda ain't playing around. Here we go. You ready for this goodness? You all ready? Oh, holy, I gotta get that. Holy cow, guys. You know what this is? These are awesome. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. These are front, oh, they're kind of heavy. But these are gonna change the game, guys. You know what these are? These are, and I'll explain, I'll show you right now. These are the front coilovers, guys. So, we got some front coilovers. Look at this. Oh, this looks beefy. This looks beefy, guys. Holy cow. This feels so good. Yes. So, we got all types of goodies right now. Steeda front coilovers, Steeda front and rear adjustable drag shocks, Steeda rear sway bar for the drag strip. Guys, it's happening, y'all. It's going down. We're getting serious. Look at this. I just opened this up. Oh man, this is some serious suspension, guys. Oh man, this is happening. This is happening. Super amped. We're not playing games anymore. So these are the front drag shocks. Adjustable too. I can make these. The key with these are also, and I'll do the whole once we get them installed to review. These are adjustable for daily comfort. This doesn't just mean the cars will ride like crap. It's made for the drag strip and also for the track, also for daily driving. So these parts are gonna make the car just plant and go, but I can also adjust it for comfort. And I'll show you all that stuff in a sec. All right, let's open up these bad. A lot of people would say that the Viking Crusader shocks are your kind of go-to, but I'm gonna have to defer to these because Steeda has gotten the best performance out of these rear beauties. Yes, these are the adjustable rear shocks. Again, not just drag shocks. Oh, I just love, look at this. Look at all this. Oh, this looks so good. It actually kind of matches the MAMBA too, which is funny. Oh, this is Christmas, guys. This is Christmas. Put your predictions down below. What you think we're gonna do on the 60-foot and hopefully another 10-second pass, even better than the 10.9. That's it. Very simple, not too crazy looking. All that little cuteness right there is gonna make the Black Mamba a beast. We got Steeda drag, no, I gotta say, can't say drag. Steeda adjustable shocks we can use for drag strip, racetrack, or daily driving. Steeda a rear drag sway bar, that's the drag part. And we got this Steeda front coilovers. That's straight drag. 125 pounds, the car like, so, I'm gonna drop her off. Castle will install it, she'll be back. We'll race her again once we get the new drag setup on there, and it's gonna be nasty. I'll show you guys the install, how to tweak them to the right spec for the drag strip. We ain't playing games anymore, y'all. We just getting started. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what you guys just saw. And sorry for all the noise because I'm inside the Black Mamba and the seats are still back out in the rear and I got these boxes here. Passenger seat's still in, by the way, because we do a subscriber meet. We're gonna do some drive along. So if you guys want to drive with me in the Black Mamba, we'll take it around a little bit later on in the subscriber meet. But basically what you guys saw was, again, this is the same suspension setup in the record-breaking Steeda 18-and-up Mustang. Of course, they have some other crazy things that I don't have yet, like a torque converter. They have some other stuff. This is straight up now. We had the Steeda stop the hop kit, but now with these shocks, these double adjustable front and rear shocks, and these new front coilovers, and the drag sway bar, like, we should cut really good 60 foots. And Steeda is amazing. I appreciate their support. I'll put a link to all the parts down below. So now we're getting serious. Like, we broke 10s NA with, in my opinion, is very simple, basic modifications, and I'm gonna do a video about all those soon. Less than $3 grand, you can make your car a 10-second Mustang from the factory, 18-and-up Mustang, and I'll show you how to do that. Because I don't want to just like have this all to myself. Half the fun with these cars is that you get to like share information and duplicate it, and then, you know, gap ties Corvettes and Hellcats and all these supercharged cars, and they don't understand why, and you're just simply NA cars. That's part of the fun, and it's part of the process. But this is really exciting times. The build is starting to get to the next level now, guys, because with Steeda support, these new suspension parts we're putting on, this car is going to be, I believe, a mid 10-second car NA, maybe even better. I don't know. It depends. You know, a torque converter comes out, all that kind of good stuff. But this is crazy. These cars are ridiculous, guys. 18 and 19 Mustangs, and not all Mustangs are great, but I'm talking about the NA deal is nasty. And I love to be the ambassador for it on, you know, on YouTube, and give you guys all I can and share my information, because last year when I went 11.3, back a year ago actually, with just simply a colder intake at Nitto NTO 5R and Rob's tune, the 85 tune went 11.3, and now a year later we went 10.9 with a little bit more time and error, a little trial and error. Now I know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm sharing that with you guys for those who don't know. I know there's a lot of like keyboard races out there, but this is really going to be helpful to the community and the people who are just getting into it, because it's so fun. Again, thank you so much. We've been hitting some crazy milestones here, guys. This year, it's only March. We got to see the GT500 in Detroit. We hit 50,000 subscribers. We were named YouTubers Creator on the Rise. We hit 10s naturally aspirated, and it's March. This year is going to be crazy, guys. I got so much to share, so much to tell you, but just stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, because you guys know it never ends. Peace.